Hi guys, today I'm gonna open this magic tantrum. So it's like a decoration. It's a very cute animal in a glass. It looks very cute. There's other animals. And I got this one. Oh wait, no. I got this one because the animals here and this it shows, so I know. And it's magic DIY. So the animals inside of the glass, and there's a tree or something else growing inside, and you need to watch it grow in 6 hours. So yeah, I'm gonna open it, and next Saturday I'm gonna see how to build it and how to make it. My scissors. And there is like powder, and you need to fill it with water. This is like sand. It's so glittery. Okay. Some garum powder. Some gems. I have gems more, so I can maybe decorate with them. Some instructions. This card, I don't know. The cute little animal, so cute. The glass. So yeah, I opened this Magic DIY glass fig, and I'm gonna put it somewhere in my room or maybe somewhere else. And I really like the animal, it's very cute. Yeah, so I'm gonna make it the other Saturday. So
A few moments later.
I'm ready to do the magic tree DIY. So we're gonna do the steps, and first we're gonna do step 1. But I'm gonna show you what I got. So I got water and some spoons, some scissors, the tree and the glass, the timer, the growing powders, and the gems. And I'm gonna put my gems too because I have very much of them. And the decoration, the kit. Oh yeah. Okay, so let's do step 1. remove the cap and remove the tray. I already did that. We're gonna take some water and a spoon, and we need to fill it to the line. So let's do that. Okay, let's now add the powder, the growing powder. Let me get my scissors and let me put this back. Put the trash away. And let me put the growing powder. Powder, trash away, and let me get my spoon, and let me now mix it for 30 seconds on the timer. 1, 2. Okay, we did it. I've got some splash of water, so I'm gonna take my towel. Okay, good. And now we did that, step 3, we did it. Now we need to take the tap and we need to put the tree. So here's the thing. Put it. Okay, it's on. Now the 5 thing, we need to put the sand, the glittery sand, around the tree. Okay, the sound is around. Now, let me take the gems. And I don't know, do I use the gems? I think I'm gonna use some of them. So here are their gems that they got. This. And this big one. So I'm gonna put these 2 around. Oh, the sand is very soft. So let me take the gems and put them around. And let me take some of my gems. So I'm gonna take these white gems crystal ones. One more. Okay. Now I'm gonna take this big gem. Put it right here. And maybe some of these. Okay, and now let me take this and where should I put it? And I feel I'm gonna put it right here so you can take the big gem. Okay, so now I need to put, I did that. Now I need to take the top and put it on. Okay. And I need to look how it grows. And I'm gonna show you some pictures that it grows. And see, the water is going up and it's getting dark.
One day later.